Namaste friends, this is Madhura from Mathruvani. In this video, I am going to talk about the anemia. What is anemia? What are the types, causes, symptoms, treatment, and some of the easily available foods can be consumed to overcome this anemic condition. First, what is anemia? Anemia is a condition in which the blood does not have enough healthy red blood cells. Here I refer these red blood cells as RBCs. This leads to reduced oxygen flow to the body's organs because hemoglobin in RBC cells carry the oxygen throughout the body. So, when RBC cells are decreased, hemoglobin is also reduced. Types of anemia. Some of the common types of anemia are iron deficiency anemia, thalassemia, aplastic anemia, hemolytic anemia, sickle cell anemia, and many more. But some are disorders or diseases, those should be treated by experts. Iron deficiency anemia is the most common one, so I am concentrating on that type only. Causes of iron deficiency anemia. As the name says, it's due to the iron deficiency. Without enough iron, your body cannot produce enough red blood cells, so less number of RBC leading to low oxygen supply. Main causes for anemia are blood loss. Red blood cells of the blood contain iron, so if you lose blood, some iron will be lost. Women with heavy periods are at risk of iron deficiency because they lose blood during menstruation. Some internal bleeding like ulcers, hernia, gastrointestinal bleeding also causes for this blood loss and anemia. Lack of iron in diet. Body gets iron from the food you eat. When iron-rich food are not included, then leads to anemia. An inability to absorb iron. Iron from food is absorbed into the bloodstream in your small intestine. Intestinal disorders affects your intestine's ability to absorb iron and other nutrients, resulting in anemia. Pregnancy. Without iron supplementation, iron deficiency anemia occurs in many pregnant women because during pregnancy, blood volume is increased and it is supplied to growing baby. So more RBCs are required in the body. Frequent blood donation. People who routinely donate blood may have increased risk of anemia. So check the hemoglobin level before donating. Complications associated with anemia. Mild deficiency does not cause any complications. If it's left untreated, then lead to health problems like heart problems, and in pregnant women, it's linked to premature births or low birth weight of the baby, etc. In infants and children, affect the growth and development and even become more susceptible to infections. Symptoms of anemic condition. Initially, iron deficiency anemia can be mild, that it goes unnoticed. But as the body becomes more deficient in iron and anemia worsens, the symptoms will intensify. Symptoms may include extreme fatigue, weakness, pale skin, chest pain, fast heartbeat, shortness of breath, headache, dizziness, cold hands and feet, poor appetite, unusual cravings for non-nutritious substances like ice, dirt, or starch. But note that all these symptoms will not appear together. It depends on the nature of the body. When to see a doctor? If you or your child develops signs and symptoms that includes iron deficiency anemia, see your doctor. It's not something to self-diagnosis or treat. So see your doctor for a diagnosis rather than taking iron supplements on your own. Overloading the body with iron can be dangerous because excess iron accumulation can damage your liver and cause severe complications. Some easily available iron-rich foods. Choose foods containing vitamin C to enhance iron absorption. Include fruits like citrus fruits like orange and some other vitamin C fruits like grape, kiwi, melons, strawberries, dry fruits, etc. And vegetables like tomatoes, leafy greens, beetroot, beans or peas. When I talk about the anemia, then I need to mention about the hemoglobin test or level. This is done to check the level of RBC cells so that anemic condition can be detected. Then what is the hemoglobin level for adults? Then what is the normal hemoglobin level for adults? For male, it should be range from 13.8 to 17.2 grams per deciliter. For female, it should range from 12.1 to 15.1 gram per deciliter. If the hemoglobin level or HB level is less than this range, is said to be low. But it also depends on the body nature. This is just a parameter. I hope this video is informative. Thank you.